Sydney, don't distract. I'm gonna play with this one, okay?
Well, that's the one I'm using for the inside, but... Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, your sister said you can play with this box. Like that box?
Want to see what the picture is? I'm going to put it right here.
Say, you said he could play with that. Let him play with it.
No, this is the one I said he can. There's no way you're gonna put your mouth on that. No way. Ryan?
So you. Sure.
Better not put that box in his mouth.
She says not to put the box in your mouth.
Mom, remember what I said in Ryan's script?